check it up here, see if we match. While I'm doing that, go ahead and get out your 1-5 homework. And I want to do one of those. So wait, we gotta check this last one. Did you get this?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Now, did anybody get this?
Yeah. Yep. That's what
These are both correct. Now, why are they different? Well, I multiplied by a positive 3 and a negative 2. What could I have multiplied by? A negative 3 and a positive 2. And that's why you get this difference. But they're the same answer and they're both perfectly okay.
You don't have to write those.
No, no. Right, one or the other. Okay. Now, what I want to do with the homework here is, I want to do question 1B, because this is what your quiz is going to be, and you might as well practice it right now. So on the 1-5 homework, which will be due on Monday, I think I have Tuesday in the thing, but we're done with it, so I'm gonna sign it today. So it's due on Monday. Let's do this problem because this is what your quiz is. So, can you remember from the beginning of the period, what do I need to do? Switch my variables. I already did the y equals when I wrote it down, and then I'm gonna switch my variables. Now what am I gonna do?
Switch the things.
Jameson?
Multiply 5y minus 3 to
Bring
the
this
x.
over here. And if you can do the distributive in your head, that's perfectly okay. I'm showing it because I don't trust my 65-year-old brain. Now what do I do? Flip them. Right? So I'll have 5xy minus 8y equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, why are you looking confused and facing? What is happening?
I don't know, I just get lost after like step number 2. Like flipping, I got it to the flipping of the variables, then like the distributive is kind of where I'm getting lost.
Bring this over here. Just put this parentheses over here.
Okay.
And then you distribute like always. And then after you distribute, you gotta rearrange these. And then we undistribute or factor out the y. And then we divide. Put in our function notation, and there is the answer. Owen?
For the flipping part, would it not be -3? Does that negative go over?
When you move it to the other side, it becomes positive. Remember how you like add something to both sides or whatever? Yeah, it becomes positive. If it's negative, if it's positive. If it's negative, it becomes positive. If it's positive, it becomes negative when you move it. I don't know. So are we good with this?
Yes.
Everybody's good? This is the quiz problem. All right, Jordan wants to go ahead and do part A. Since we have time, we might as well. So part A this one confuse you. This one's easier. Because when I switch the variables, can I just start solving for y? I don't have to do any distributive, I don't have to do any rearranging. So times by 4. Add 8. And divide by 3. And that is that. Well, if I am efficient, we might be able to get this homework done for you. So let's label our points. All right, I'm gonna sketch. I'm gonna sketch my inverse. So I have labeled my points. So now I'm going to turn them all around. So where does this go? Negative 4, 0 goes down to 0, negative 4. This one becomes negative 1, negative 3. 0, negative 2. 2, negative 1. 0, 0. That's a point right there. 0, 0. 1, 1, and 0, 2. And here you go. And can you draw a one-to-one function? Lots of possibilities. What does it look? What would yours look like? Some line, actually any line that's not vertical or horizontal. So any slanted line. How about the cubing function? Is that guy one-to-one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be another option. Okay, stop. Don't turn it in. Everybody who's here today, I'm just gonna put a 10 in the grade book, okay? So don't turn it in, I don't want your papers, we just did it together, I know you all did it, I know it's all right, okay? If you turn it in, I'm subtracting a point. So don't turn it in.
Hey, Jim, I'll turn it in.